Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. Alright guys, so we're going to be starting out shortly. I'm going to be starting soon. Thanks so much for those of you that are just joining us, guys. So it's Monday evening. We've got a couple trades that we've been looking at, and we were able to profit this morning on gbpaud. Going to be pulling out a video explaining how that trade panned out, or if you guys want to watch it, you can watch us do it live when we took it this morning. Alright guys, so let's take a look here. Let's take a look at gold. It seems like gold wasn't able to hold this level of support. This was kind of an area that I was looking at. So it seems like it is disrespecting that level of support. As always, gold can have a mind of its own, but gold tends to wick a lot, right? You see these wicks like that wick like that. So for all I know, that I just think it's just a wick rejection, to be quite honest with you guys. So I'm not too worried about that. If we do see some nice heavy rejection, sorry, let me just put this in a better position. If we see gold in a much better position here, where it's rejecting this level here and holding support, and we see some heavy wick rejections, then I'm expecting some good potential buys in the short term for gold. So something I'm keeping an eye out right now for gold. Let's take a look at USD JPY. Actually, you know what? Let's take a look at the news too. We do have some news tomorrow. We have some Euro news all day. We've got some US news as well at 10 a.m. So something to keep an eye out, guys. Okay, perfect. So let's take a look at here. Let me just stretch a little bit. It's always good to stretch, guys. Relax. All right, we've got a couple more people joining us, guys. So as we get more people joining us, we're going to take a look at some of these trades that we took this morning, and not only that, some potential trades that we can look at. So welcome to the family, guys. Those of you guys that are new, I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. Okay, so let's take a look at USD JPY. What am I looking at? So basically, after a push like this, obviously you guys saw that trade. If you guys go back to my previous videos, you'll be able to see me break down this trade. And so we saw price come up to this level of resistance. So it seems like price is holding this level of resistance, which is good, and I'm expecting price to actually potentially pull back, possibly to these lows. Not 100% sure, but I do want to see price break this level of structure, which is forming here on the 30-minute, even in the 1 hour, but I'm going to put it in the 30 minutes so you guys can see a little bit more clear. We can see price is so far holding support. So I kind of want to see price break this level, which potentially, I'll be honest with you, I think it will come to that area. We just got to wait for price to break this level of support. Once price breaks this level of support, then I can expect a nice clean pull and push to the downside. So this is going to be a good sell trade coming up for USD JPY. So I am expecting sells for USD JPY, and I'm looking to target these lows over here, which is a key level of potential support. So that's what we're looking at for USD JPY, guys. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. Guys, feel free to comment in the chat box. Don't be shy. GJ failed to hold that level of support. GJ is just ranging for me. I don't see GJ doing anything anytime soon. Yeah, GJ is heavily ranging right now. welcome guys. We've got a couple more people joining us. As more and more people join the channel, guys, make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it, guys. It shows me that you're enjoying these live streams. GBPOD trade went in our favor this morning. We were able to, the whole team was able to profit, so I'm glad we were able to spot this one this morning. Double top formation. We got a nice clean to the downside. Let's take a look at GBP US. I know that we were looking for a break and retest, and we are getting price actually retest these levels. We are getting a rejection, as I mentioned, this morning, which is good. That's on the 4 hour, so that's pretty darn significant. Actually, GBP US is looking pretty good for sells. So far, we are getting this double top formation here. So we've got rejection, 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 and prices failing to push higher. What I want to see is price close below this candle wick here, and then we can look for a continuation to the downside for GBP US. GU is actually looking like pretty good trade for sells as well, guys. Hassan Natami, welcome Hassan. I'm not sure. Do you want me to take a look at Euro GPY? I can do that for you, man. Welcome to the channel. All right, no worries, man. Welcome to the channel. Be more than happy to do so. You want me to look at Euro GPY? GBP. Harpreet, what's going on, brother? See, I like it. You're consistent, bro. You're consistent. Come on, you got this, man. You got this. That's the key, consistency. Harpreet, man. Harpreet's already part of the family, guys. So if you're just joining us, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so you get notified every single time I'm on. And as many of you guys know, I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, everyone. So we've got Hassan here. He's asking us if we can take a look at Euro GBP, and absolutely we could take a look at Euro GBP. So shout out to Hassan. We're gonna take a look at Euro GBP right now. All right, so let's take a look and see what the market is currently doing. Alright, so let's take a look at the 4 hour. Actually, let's start at the daily and see kind of where price could be going. Alright, so it seems to me, to be honest, that price is kind of changing its overall direction. It is bullish short term. We are kind of breaking these highs over here. So I want to look at these levels over here as well too. Sorry, not these levels. These levels right here as potential target. We are somewhat trending upwards because we could see this is a higher low, and so we also broke this level here, so we're currently breaking it right now. So this is important to continue to stay above and bullish. So even on the 4 hour, we want to maintain support at this point, guys. So let's narrow it down to the 1 hour. What I'm kind of expecting price to do, to be honest with you, is to basically hold this level of support. That's the most important thing. So as long as price doesn't break this level here, we can look for buys, right? And we know that price could potentially come up to these levels over here, which is quite a range. So we're talking about 90 pips, right? So there's still a lot more juice to go. But I mean, it's not really a trade I would personally take, because it's like very, like you're kind of buying at the top, to be honest. But that's kind of where we're at with this trade. I just want to see price kind of hold this level of support, and then a break of this level here, get like a nice strong push, candle close, and then we get onto buys, and then wait for a pullback to this level here, to this range essentially. But again, it's not really like I wouldn't really, it's kind of still ranging, so I wouldn't really get into this trade, to be honest. Not yet, at least. We want to see that push, right? That breakout of this range. Once we see that breakout, right? See that strong momentum, wait for the pullback to this level over here, okay? And let it reject this level here. Once we see rejection candles and we see price holding this level of support right here, then we can start looking for a continuation to the upside and catch about 80, 90 pips, right? On Euro GBP. Welcome, guys. We've got a couple more people joining us tonight. It's more of like a laid back night, you know? Got the music, changing the music up a little bit. US 30 actually pushed up, like I was mentioning with US 30, after he pushed to the downside like this, as predicted as well. We've been selling US 30 for quite some time, but after a strong movement like this, we saw price actually start forming this double bottom formation here. We saw a break to the upside and then a pullback, which is kind of, if we look at the arrow, you can see the arrow I put here, pullback and a continuation to the upside. So now it seems like it is holding this level of support, and so now what we want to see is price reject this level, okay, on the higher time frame. So like the 1 hour, this is a good time frame to be kind of basing our analysis off of, and then just kind of see again a strong bullish sentiment, and then we can start continuing to look for buys for US 30. Hassan, thanks Pedro. No problem, man. Super happy that I was able to help, and I hope you're already part of the family. Harpreet, did you discuss any pairs other than Euro GBP? Yes, I did. I believe when we first started, I looked at gold quickly and USD JPY. So you haven't missed out that much. Don't worry. Because I know. Harpreet's already part of the family, and he's here with us most days, pretty much every day. So yeah, so we just started. So we've got a couple more people joining us, guys. So welcome to the channel. Alright, so let's take a look. CAD JPY, what's going on? Clear this. Alright, if you guys are looking at this chart, what is price doing? Let me know in the comments below, guys. What is price doing right now for CAD JPY? This is just like we're gonna do some like training here today. What is CAD JPY doing? Let me know in the comments below. What do you see? Is the market trending upwards, downwards, or ranging on the 4 hour? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the chat box. What are we looking at, guys? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Comment below in the chat box, guys. What are we looking at? Is price moving bullish or bearish? And what's the overall sentiment on the 4-hour chart? What are we looking at? What's the direction? Let me know in the chat box. I'm going to give you guys the answer. You guys have 1 minute. 1 minute to let me know. I'm going to tell you guys in a second, but I just want to see if you guys have an idea. Attaboy. Nicholas, we've got consolidation. Yes, we do. That's what I'm talking about. We are ranging. We are consolidating, right? So we're looking at basically these highs over here, okay? Right? Bullish going to test those highs. That's right. There you go. Yep. Yep. You guys are on the right track. So we are consolidating, right, on the 4-hour. But exactly, we are testing highs. We could potentially come a little bit higher, but we are also at another level of resistance here. So something to keep an eye out, guys. Let's narrow it down to the 1-hour. So now that we know that we're consolidating, guys, now that we know we're in this range, right, and price is bouncing back and we're at the top of the range, usually in a range, we can trade within the range, which is what we usually do sometimes, but most of the times in the range, we want to only get in and look for breakouts, right? In this case, obviously, it seems like it is reacting to this level, so we want to wait and see what price is going to do. So what I want to see for CAD JPY in this case on the 1-hour is most likely price to pull back and retest this level of resistance, okay, and create some sort of formation or rejection or consolidation, or could be head and shoulders pattern, could be, there's so many ways how price could react, right? And then a push to the downside, right? Break of structure here, because it'll probably hold some sort of support, and then a continuation down to these highs over here. Yeah, so we're just ranging right now, guys. So we got a couple more people joining us, guys. So welcome to the channel. We're just looking at USD CAD right now. There's a couple more trades that we're going to be looking at too. So Bitcoin seems like it might just pull back. We're expecting price to continue down further. I'm going to expect a pullback and continuation to the downside. If we get rejections to this level, guys, keep in mind we want to see a rejection of this key level before a continuation to the downside. So let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys, welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. Yo. I'm up late tonight, man. What's going on, Bands? Hey, man. Long time, bro. Long time. Oh, yeah. We've got Audrey. Audrey, welcome to the channel. Cheers to you. I've got not matcha this evening, but I've got black tea, so close enough. Welcome to the channel. I got a couple more people joining us and joining the family, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, notification bell, guys. We are live here every single day. 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are looking to learn more, also follow my Telegram group, description below in the bio. Alright, so music's a little too slow this time. Okay, give me 1 sec, guys. I'm gonna change it up. Michael Anthony, which is a Canadian energy company that trades on US markets. Oh, okay, nice, man. That's good to know. Welcome, Michael. Thank you for your knowledge, man. Really appreciate it. We've got a couple more people joining us, guys, so welcome. Any pairs you guys want me to go over, let me know in the comment chat box below. Bands, what pairs we looking at? Gold was firing today. Yeah, we're looking at a couple pairs. So we had the team profited amazing this morning on gbpaud. We called this trade out on our live. Yeah, so basically what I saw here was price break of structure. So we saw a strong momentum break of structure at this level of support, and so I expected price to pull back and retest these highs, and we saw a double top formation starting to form. I was expecting a double top to form, and then it actually formed. So then we got in at this bearish candle wick. We got the rejections as well. I was expecting a heavy rejection at this level, which we were able to get. So we were able to profit I was able to profit about 55 pips. It did go down a little bit further, but this is a great example of a perfect Monday morning trade that we took here in our live stream. So really nice, guys. I try to provide you guys as much value as possible. And just remember, guys, like, trading is a journey. It's not get rich quick. It takes time. It takes dedication. I've been doing this for quite some time. So yeah, so this was gbpaud. Really nice clean trade that we took this morning. Also USD/JPY, this trade was awesome too. It panned out pretty well. And right now I'm potentially looking for sells on USD/JPY. I did call it out on my Telegram. And so I want to see price actually break below this level. If I don't see USD/JPY break below this, then we're not looking for any sells anytime soon. Yes, I did see Nas break below the weekend. It's insane, bro. It's insane. Nuts. Look at that. Disgusting, my guy. Look, and take a look at this. I was looking at it, and then I was like, yep, pull back, saw that shooting star. I was like, yo, this thing's melting soon. And look what happened. Melted. And then I put this this arrow here, and then I put the arrow down. That was my overall sentiment of the market and just kind of what I was expecting. But I did not expect this. I expected maybe like this level here. I think I drew out this level here, and that was about it. Michael, the Saudi and Prince said last week that they may cut the output on oil, and why oil close above the day of 200 moving average. Yeah, it's good. It's good to be aware of news, guys. That's why I always check the news and see what's going on. It's really important, right? But personally, I usually just trade technicals, right? Like some people do fundamentals. It's good to have a little bit of both knowledge, but I just trade technicals. But also to be aware, right? Because Michael's got a point, right? You also have to be aware of what's going on, right? What's causing the US dollar to gain strength? What's causing right now what's going on with China, right? How's that going to affect the US dollar? How's that going to affect our economy, right? So it's really, really important to be aware of it, you know? Because that can affect pricing. Powell is going to raise rates, which markets have been selling off hard, but the Dow has been down for 1,000 points in 2 days, but did turn green today to close the candle right again. Yeah. Bands. I caught the trade, but I got greedy, feeling stupid right now, man. It's all mental, but I'm still working on it. It's all good, Bands. You got this, man. Daddy Powell straight dumped it. Man, this guy Powell, man. He's making us all pay more on our mortgages, man. Like me and the wife, we just got our first home in February. We sold like a portion of our Bitcoin that we had, and with that we were able to pay part of the down payment for the house. So definitely thankful for that. It's been a blessing. But these rates that are going up, it's just insane. So here in Canada, we follow through with whatever US does. So if rates go up, they raise the rates here as well. So it's kind of in the States. So it's kind of the same thing for us. It affects us as well. US 30, man. After a push like this, I'm expecting. You can kind of see on the 1 hour, you could see some sort of like a double bottom formation here. So yeah, like, you know what I mean. We are also retesting this level here. You could see prices retesting it right here. See, so it's holding support. So that's a good thing. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'm expecting potential buys, but we just gotta see support hold here. Yeah, Fed rates, yeah, should be coming. Should make the dollar stronger after that. Yeah. The dollar's been slowly moving up, and it's been gaining a little bit of strength. So I have noticed that in the charts. But yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. We've got a couple more people joining us here in the channel, guys. So welcome to the channel. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this live stream, make sure you hit that like button and also join the family. We've got an amazing community that is slowly growing. Try to provide as much value as possible, guys, for you all. Alright, Euro USD's within this range. Could maybe be looking for some sells. Let's take a look at the 1 hour for Euro US. Let's go back up to the daily. One second, guys. Yeah, so it seems like we broke this level of support, and now we're kind of retesting it. We can see those heavy wick rejections, guys. So that's an indication that price is failing to continue to go higher. So I can expect price to continue to kind of range within this area here, this top and bottom. In the meantime, we can kind of look for sells and expect price to come back down to these lows. But until price breaks these lows, I'm not looking for any sells anytime soon for Euro US. Mr. Tudor, welcome to the channel. We've got another member joining the family. Welcome, Tudor. Bands, we've got, how you feel about swing trading? Oh, I think it's good, man. I think swing trading is good. You gotta find your own style, right? Like, everyone's different. I personally like to day trade. I like to kind of get in anywhere between, 30 minutes to like max like 2-3 hours, and that's it. I mean, some people like to, get in a couple trades where they're, takes a couple days or so, or, it could take up 24 hours, whatever it is. But swing trading is not bad at all, man. If you're able to understand, like when I first started, I was kind of like understanding swing trading much more clear, but you got to have a lot of patience too, right? So it all takes time. Welcome. We got a couple more people joining us, guys. Welcome to the channel. Got new members joining us. Looks like USD JPY on the 15-minute. It is rejecting this level. I'm gonna show you guys right now. USD JPY. So like I told you guys, I'm expecting price, once price breaks this level here of support, then I'm going to be looking for sells, short-term sells. But if we zoom into the 15-minute, it seems like price is starting to reject this level here of support. Sorry, this level of resistance. So we are getting that rejection, guys. We saw that momentum downwards, right? We're now retesting, and we are getting some rejection at this level. Not only that, we want to see price break these lows over here. So there's many ways to go about it. Like, you could probably try and get an entry here if you really wanted to, and then kind of set your stops here. Probably like a 20 pip range. Keep it nice and tight. And then, I mean, you could do like a short term, like quick 30 pips, or you could set your targets below down here, potentially 80 pips. But again, I kind of want to see price, I want to see more volume, and not only that, I just want to see like more bearish sentiment. Welcome, guys. We got a couple more people also joining us right now. Do me a favor, guys, if you guys are enjoying this live stream, make sure you hit that like button. Appreciate it. Helps with the algorithm, also supports the channel. Also, if you're new, guys, check out my Telegram group. It's absolutely free. You can click the link below in my bio. In the video description, you'll be able to find it there. So it looks like gold is potentially failing this level of potential support. It's all good. That's why I want to keep out and just kind of watch price play out. Harpreet, I'm back. Welcome back, everyone. Got a couple more people joining us, guys, so welcome to the live stream. Those of you guys that are just joining, we are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. GBP odd trade we took this morning on our live stream went exactly as predicted, guys. So if you guys are enjoying these live streams, let me know in the chat box as well. Too bad I can't put my Spanish music. It's copyright. Welcome to the family, guys. We got a couple more people joining us. Joining the family. US 30, okay, we're getting that rejection. We're holding that support. That's perfect, exactly as I mentioned. This is what we want to see, right? We want to see price hold this level of support. Perfect. That's what we want to see, guys. JPY is looking like it's still stuck there for a bit. I want to see a little bit more volume. All right, let's take a look at gold. Let's remove everything here and just start fresh. welcome. We've got a couple more people joining us. A live stream. Alright, so gold. Huh. Looks like this trade also melted. Take a look at that, guys. Look at my arrows. Look at that, look at that. So you guys could see what I was looking at, right? Price broke previous level of structure, right? We saw price pull back, test these highs over here, okay? Obviously price was trending upwards, right? And so I was expecting price to kind of come and retest these highs over here, and then a continuation to the downside. You guys can see that I had everything already set up before. So now kind of what I'm expecting price to do is kind of pull back to these levels over here, and we want to see some rejection, and then if we see rejection here, I'm looking for potential more sells. Yeah, this level over here. Clean setup. USD CAD. Still within this range. Looks like sells. There's no volume out here. GBP US. Nice. So clean rejection. JPY pullback. potentially coming down. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat box below. Just want to thank you guys for joining us tonight, this live stream. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat box below. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at PEDRO Official on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Telegram. US 30, we're holding support, which is awesome. Expecting, it's probably gonna keep pushing higher. So NAS 100, Euro JPY. Yeah, this was like a quick trade I was looking at, just like a quick in and out. we're starting to get that reaction on USD JPY as well. Just gotta wait for like a nice push to the downside, but I'm expecting it to melt, to be honest. I'm expecting USD JPY to push down below, but again, as you guys know, trading's all about probabilities, guys. By now, you guys already know how it is. Alright guys, so we are going to call it a night. Thank you so much for joining us. We got a couple new members that joined us tonight. Shout out to Michael. Harpreet, you're already part of the family here. Bands as well. And Michael Anthony, super happy to have you on here with us. Very, very knowledgeable in terms of news. And that's good, man. We're happy to have each and every one of you guys. I try to provide as much value as possible to each and every one of my viewers. Hence, that's why I created this channel, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for 6 years, and you know, I try to help as much as I can. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So sometimes I try to come here on the evenings to help you guys out as much as I can. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us, and I will catch you guys tomorrow at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time.